Hi guys, today I got my Insta360 One R. So basically it's a twin edition which can capture 360-degree videos and also normal 4K videos. It costed me around 38,999, and the link I'll add it in the description so that you guys, whoever is interested, can go and purchase it from that seller. And before we start, I would also like to tell you guys that whenever you're ordering products from Amazon, be a little bit careful and do the unboxing video, or even before you open the package, take a video of the package to make sure that the package is not open, and also in that way you will have some evidence in case the product is not what you had ordered, or if somebody tries to scam you by sending something else. So this incident happened with my friend. We thought of ordering Insta360 One R from Amazon, from a seller who was selling it for very less. So if you see the cost of Insta360 One R, it is somewhere around 35 to at least like 39. So we saw this seller who was selling it for 27,000, and although we were skeptical, we thought probably it could be because of old stock or clearance, etc. Had very less reviews and also was registered only a couple of days back. We had decided that we are going to make a video of the entire package before we even open that, just for evidence, because this particular item and the seller was looking a little bit suspicious. And guess what, my friend got the package delivered, and he opened it and found only 2 glass bottles. I will also try to share the video, or probably a link to his YouTube video, so that you guys can see that immediately, and asked me to cancel the order. So I did the same, and the delivery guy in fact came near my house. I had another package to collect, so I went and saw the package which they had sent for Insta360R, and no surprises there. So even my package was very light. I could hear some glass sound, glass bottles. I told the delivery guy and sent it back. So you guys need to be very careful. I've heard this from a couple of people in my circles. So even one more guy, Snug Rocket, and he has a channel, and he ordered Hero GoPro, and he got glass bottles instead. So you guys need to be very careful. Don't go for sellers who seem suspicious, and also who are trying to attract you with very less cost, and don't go for sellers who don't have proper reviews and not Amazon fulfilled, etc. Just make sure, like, even if you do, like, take a video and reach out to Amazon at the earliest in case you find that you have been scammed. All right, so let's move on to the unboxing. I ordered this product yesterday, and the seller seemed quite reputable. The cost on Amazon was 38,999. To be honest, I don't know much about this camera. I heard a few good reviews from people who have already bought it and also seen their videos. So I thought, why not? Let's go for a camera which is having 360-degree view. Let's see what features this camera has. So it has 360-degree capture, 4K wide angle, flow state stabilization, waterproof, and what is this, invisible selfie stick? Yeah, you need to purchase that separately. Autofocus, auto edit, hyperlapse, then point to track, etc. So let's go ahead and open the box. And yeah, it also comes with 1 year warranty for India, but you have to register on their website. I've seen some reviews on Amazon who have said that few of them have got a notification when they try to register this, saying that this product is not for Indian market, but I'm not sure. Probably this is for Indian market because the cover said so, the label said so. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Wow, this is the this is the package, guys. And before we take these things out, let's see what all things they have given. What is this? You know what, the box looks pretty neatly packaged, and I'm not sure what this, yeah, stickers. You got Insta360 stickers here. Then I think this is the wiping cloth. This is a cloth for cleaning your lens, and yeah, your USB. It comes with a C-type on one side. Wow, you know guys, you know what, I'm really impressed with the quality of the product. Just take a look at it. It's really well made. It looks sturdy, it feels sturdy, and it's really good to look and touch. Yeah, let's do this later. And this is the cap, this is the cover for your 360-degree lens, so that it does not get any scratches. Okay, these are the mounts which we can use to mount the camera. I heard that this camera can be mounted on even your GoPro mounts, which should work with that without any issues. GoPro or SJ cam. And this is the manual. Waterproofing docklet, and some more instructions and warranty card. Lens. Okay, so basically they give you the silica gel also, so that you can use this while storing the camera. You can put this in the box, because basically what this does is it absorbs moisture. Let's take a look at the parts. So this is the battery of the camera. It's got a release button here, and it's really well made. I'm just loving the build quality and the finish. This is the famous 360-degree lens and the main brains of the camera. So this is the main unit. So this has got your controls. So it's got a touch screen here for controlling the camera, and your camera button, your power button, etc. And this is your 4K lens mod. So basically it just goes like this. And let's assemble the camera and see how it looks. Pretty easy. So this is how it looks. Insta360 One R, 4K wide angle. Then you got flow state stabilization. Wow. It's asking for this setup. Click. Shut down. Why? Okay, so basically it says install Insta360 One R to activate the camera. So I'll go through the instructions and see what needs to be done for this camera to work. So anyways, this was just the unboxing video. So if possible, I'll make another video about the features of this camera once I activate it. And before we end, let's quickly go and see how the 360 mod looks with this camera. You do that by sliding this button, sliding the slider here. So when you slide, it comes off, and this thing is just like, you just have to pull. Yep, there you go. And oops, Yeah, this is the thing guys, you need to be careful like how you align the connectors. So what I did is I connected it in a reverse order. So okay, so now we have all the mounting points on one side of the camera. So let's go ahead and put the battery on. And you know what, it's pretty simple and pretty easy how you can uh, change the lens. So basically this is the advantage of modularization guys. So alright, so this is the camera with the 360-degree lens. It looks like a fish eye. I mean, if you look at a fish from the top, this is how it looks. These are the eyes of the fish. Yeah, so basically this is how it looks, and the camera looks pretty solid, pretty stable. Yeah, before we end, let's try out this unit as well. Let's see how it looks and how it fits. Wow, this is how you can mount this camera to your helmet. You can use any clamp, any mount which comes for the GoPro or SJ cam, and you can mount this to your helmet or selfie stick or any other accessory you have. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing of Insta360 One R Twin edition. Thanks for watching.